What's going on, guys? Thank you for tuning in back for part 2 of my New York trip. Basically, in this part of the video, we went out actually exploring instead of just the drive. The drive was really long, but like I said, I didn't really film much because one, it was cold. I live in Florida. I'm not used to that cold, like striking my hands, making my hands feel like they're going numb, and I want to like amputate my own hands. So I wasn't able to really vlog too much once it got too cold. But I hope you guys enjoy what we have in store for this part of the video. Remember to like the video, let me know what you guys think of the vlogging style in the comments down below, and subscribe if you like what you saw. This boy gonna actually try and go out there. Yo, he out there, it's 32 degrees outside with just a shirt on.
Yo, he wildin'.
Look at this kid. Yo.
That's gonna buy him real quick.
Alright guys, so I didn't really vlog much today. All I did was pick up our friend Asian from the airport.
Oh, my bad.
You feel me? Other than that, we're just inside the place that we're staying this whole time. But, oh, he come back.
Yo, come on.
He knew the code.
You don't know the code.
He's
the code. The code.
I did.
Boy, memorize the thing.
Oh, damn. But yeah, guys, we plan on going to Manhattan today. So I don't know what time we're leaving, but we plan on going to Manhattan to explore the city.
It wasn't that cold to
see what's going on.
Really?
Yeah, it's not that cold.
That's all it is.
What you say?
It's not that cold.
It's not that cold. Alright, that boy Asian.
The wind just closed the door.
Ready? Better walk. Oh my gosh. We better walk to the gas station trying to buy gloves because it's supposed to be snowing while we're here. Hurry up, Julian.
Oh shit, my phone.
You forgot your phone too?
Yeah.
You staying out there, Jamal. I don't know where you going. Yo. It's not that bad, right?
No, I just want the wind is gonna hit.
There's gonna be a lot of wind in the city. Finally out. Ooh, it's cold out here, boy. It's not that bad.
It's not bad at all.
It's the wind.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, the wind is good. But it's the only kid like that's why I put my hands in my pocket.
Yo.
I told you, bro.
That's crazy. It looks so.
You thought it was gonna.
The jacket looks thin, but it looks like it don't do nothing, but it does a lot.
Brooklyn.
It's pretty nice.
Oh, gas station right?
It's,
Too. But it did.
I don't think that one has the gloves though. We went down there. Yeah, across the street. Please, come, bro. Yeah, the wind, boy. That's what's cold. That's the only cold thing is the wind.
Yo, you look like New Yorkers right now. Boy,
To be honest.
I look like a New Yorker.
Oh man. No, I'm still vlogging. You feel me? Gotta do it for the boys on YouTube. Gotta do it. You wanna do it for the boys? You fake. Yeah.
Call me fake. I want my hand.
Boy, something like an
pay for the new
oh,
one.
amputation mouth. That's around.
They're not gonna pay for the new one.
Yo, across the street, man.
Oh shit, my bad.
Oh my God.
Hey. Lit out here.
It's going through my pants already.
You said what?
This where you bought it from?
The core water?
Yeah.
No, I got it on the way.
You need to go like Walgreens or some shit.
Walgreens?
Gloves.
Yeah, for gloves. Yeah. There's a Walgreens around here.
Let's walk to it.
We out.
We out. Let's walk to it.
Whoa.
Walgreens, we out.
No. It's by like car.
Nah.
No, it's
Look it up.
Somebody look nearest Walgreens.
How far is it?
Oh, you just scratched.
Okay, check it out.
8 minutes.
That's not far.
Walk?
8-minute drive, probably like 10-minute walk.
8 minutes by car.
We out. We out.
I mean, we warm. I'm warm.
It's down the street.
I know you.
I'm more than warm. I use my fingers on
My hands, yeah, my hands just.
All right, so what we gonna do? You guys wanna walk?
I'm about to walk.
I'm out.
Damn, irrational right now. So it's just a straight up shot.
Straight, exactly.
It's a shot, but then we gotta walk down the road.
Okay,
What, the walk or?
It's up to y'all.
I'm about to walk.
30 minutes.
I'm about to walk. Let's walk.
Let's go.
By the time we get there, they're gonna be ready. Yeah.
All right, so we're not getting gloves from here.
Just pick us up.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
Took a train here and recorded anything because it was pretty boring. Yeah, we're lit.
We're cold.
How you feeling, Jamal?
So you can see me. I got this shit right now, but it's cold.
Yeah, it's a little chilly. It's not too bad, but. This view is beautiful. Alright, so right now we're inside the Empire State Building and we're on the 80th floor, and already this view is amazing, bro. This view
No,
is
the highest
beautiful.
floor is under renovation.
Look at this.
Is your ear popping?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, you gotta swallow. Shoot
Yeah,
them.
where's
Okay,
mom?
Where are they?
Hey,
This is
where's the
beautiful.
stove? Tell her to send it out once. Here, sure. This is the Empire.
Julian, this is beautiful.
Where's everyone?
You.
First, you know what I'm saying? One time for the one time.
Let's look at the.
That's
How about the
crazy.
Empire
We still have other floors to go to. There's the 86th and the 102nd floor. So we're gonna go on those now, but we're looking at just walking around looking at all the stuff they have. That's crazy. Yeah, boy. Florida boys. That's nuts though. This this view is insane. Wow. Bro.
Yo, what is that? It look like a party.
Right there in that building, right? It looks like a party over there, bro.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Wow. So we are on floor 80. We have 86, which is the open air observation, and 102, but we're not gonna actually be able to go onto the 102nd floor because they're renovating. I'm not gonna go on that floor. They're redoing it, sadly. So, oh well. But this is still a great experience. Got King Kong here. Boy, catching up on that history, huh? Where's the other elevator?
This one. Wow.
I think we go back to the same elevator we came through, or we just go through there, maybe. I don't know.
She pointed to somewhere else. Wow.
Shut your drippery mouth. Oh, that's the Empire State gift shop.
Stuck on my elevator.
I think you have to go back to the one that we came through.
Going down, guys. Yeah. And you ladies, absolute pleasure. Thanks for making my night.
This is lit. Wow. This is better than the last floor, bitch. What? It's pretty dark on my camera, but hey, I'm going outside. We actually go outside now. It's dark, but it's pretty chilly up here too, boy. Yo, we're actually outside. Yo.
Damn.
Imagine your shit falling.
Nate, boy, I'm holding my camera just like. Oh my god, that shit crazy.
You dumb crazy.
Like your hairline, that shit crazy.
Oh, Jamal, please come. Just push that camera.
I have goosebumps.
Yo, it's crazy. Yeah, this view's beautiful.
I'm going back inside, alright? Alright.
Hey, somebody take a picture of me.
Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that little New York vlog edit, whatever you want to call it. It was really fun being there. I really enjoyed seeing snow. I had a snowball fight, but I wasn't able to record that because I don't want people throwing, or my friends throwing snow at my camera. So I didn't record that, but it was pretty fun. On my story, while I was in New York, I posted a lot on my Instagram story. So if you don't follow my Instagram Instagram name is @Dan_Lex. I'll put it like right here, @Dan_Lex. That way you guys can go on my Instagram, follow me, stay updated on what I'm doing. I do post there more. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a like or a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to the channel. It helps out and it lets me know that you guys actually like what you're seeing. And don't be afraid to leave a comment down below, guys. I like to read comments. I like to respond to as many as I can when I can. So yeah, it's truly appreciated. Thank you guys for all the support. I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.